Audio Jungle.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back on my channel, Crypto Victoria. So here is another exciting review for my crypto viewers. I have to say that welcome on my channel, Crypto Victoria. Here is another exciting review, guys. And I have to say that if you are new on my channel, Crypto Victoria, please like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell icon for my further amazing videos notification. As you know that Victoria always come with an amazing and new platform in the world of cryptocurrency. So guys, let's go and let's start. So I hope you are doing very well. And here is guys, welcome to Bybit. This is the exchange where you can guys go, and this is the good news for the traders which are looking for trading like copy trade, future trade. It's on to you which you want to do. And here I will tell you about our latest announcement on Bybit. So you have to stay connected, stay tuned with me till last of the video. And guys, I have to say that I'm not your financial advisor. Do your own research before any investment, and I'm not responsible for your any profit or loss. You have to take your own research, and here you have to check this out, guys. And let's go. Here you have to start right now your journey. And guys, this is very easy and simple method how you have to join, how you have to enter. It's very easy. You have to go on our site, and then you have to create your account. You have to sign up, and you have to complete your registrations right now, and then you can unlock this all of the like task and prizes. And here you have to go, and these are where you can check out our how you have to get this. And now you have to win these bonuses, and you can check out all of these Apple AirDrop Max, Apple iPhone 16 Pro Max, and these are the rewards. And you have to just go, as I tell you, just register simply and go on our site, complete our task, and then you can go with us and you get your chance right now. And this is the very easy and very simple, guys. And guys, you have to mostly follow our terms and conditions, and we have you have to mostly read this, and you have to mostly follow about all of our criteria which we have to put before joining our latest announcement here. So here you have to check this, and you have to just stay connected with us. And here you can do also your spot trading right here now, and this is very exclusive and for you, for my audience. So you have to invite your friends and family here. You can also check out our latest activities, latest news update announcement on right here now. And this is for our all of the users like new and old users. So you have to don't need to be worried. And here you can join right here now. And how you have to create your account, you have to simply guys go put your email password, and then you have to put your code. In this easy way you can create your account right now. And here you have to, you can also check out about our markets. Here you can go, you can trade here. And you can also, so here you can also check out our market review about Bybit. And here you can go and you can check out our all of the altcoins right here now. And you can trade here like spot trading and future trading. It's on to you. You can also check out our finance, our tools. And guys, there is a lots of reward hub here, and you can check this out. And this is very exclusive for the new users also here. And you can check this out, and you can join right here now. So stay connected, stay tuned with us. See you next video. Thanks for watching.